Welcome back, my fellow Excel users. I'm Neal, the technical product specialist at Biznet Software, here to accelerate your day once again. Today we're going to talk about how you can add additional filters to your spreadsheets, and on top of that, how you can combine it with Excel's functionality. Chances are you have somebody that comes to you asking for a report and they just want to see all the data for their division and not the rest of the organization. As you can see on this report, I've already added a parameter to where I changed the time and the report updates. But I've added an additional parameter for division. So I click on that and select the appropriate division. In this case, revenue hardware, and just like that, I have my report customized from top to bottom for that user. Additionally, my drill down details are filtered to match my parameters. So I can see any of these divisions for each year, and likewise I can see any of the years for each division. With 5 divisions and 3 years worth of data, I can see up to 15 combinations. Before, I would have to keep those in separate spreadsheets. But now, they're all combined into one. And with Biz Broadcast, which we will show you in another episode, you can have these parameters automatically updated and sent out to the people that need them without you having to lift a finger. So I have it set as division. You could have it set as anything. You could have it set as company, department, cost center, whatever you need. However you have your data set up is the way that you can set up your parameters. The only limit is your data. Thank you so much for coming, and as always, I hope we accelerated your day. Get it? Excel, accelerate, huh?